Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy J5. Okay, to unlock the bootloader on this device, all you need to do is to open up the settings. Also make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that we'll have 100% sure that the option will appear. Then scroll all the way down. First go into About Phone, then software information, and now we gotta tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. In my case it's already enabled, so we gotta go back and now open developer options, click on OK, and we have the OEM Unlock feature. And to enable the bootloader, to unlock it, we just need to enable this option. Now our bootloader is fully unlocked and we are ready to, for example, flash the new custom ROM or custom recovery. We don't need to even reboot our device or anything like that. The bootloader is already fully unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.